Hello, readers, and thank you for coming again for our final lesson for the long I vowel digraphs, which make the long I sound. Again, what sound is it? I, that's correct. So I do want to go ahead and remind us that we've been talking about that there's a lot of different ways that we can make the long I sound. But this week, primarily, we're just looking at these right here. I, IGH, IE, I underscore E, which is like a CVCE word with a bossy E, and Y. Now, before we get started practicing sounding some out, we of course have to write it because we always start with write it. So I want to get started with I and Y first. So get out your pens and your boards, or get out your your paper and pencil, whatever you're going to use, and let's get started. Write the letter and make the sound for me, okay? So let's go ahead and get writing. Okay. I. Now let's try it with Y. I. Very good. Good job. Now let's try it with IGH. I. Now let's do the CVCE version. I, and then the line, and an E says I. And last, let's do IE. I. Thank you for doing that with me. I appreciate it. So let's get started. We're going to blend a couple of words together, and then we're going to race the teacher and see if you can read the words faster than me. Let's go ahead and get started with some blending first. Sound. K. Sound. Put it together. I. Cry. I. Cry. Sound. Sound. Put that together. Full I. Put that together. Flies. 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 Well, let's go back. Sound. I. Sound. Put that together. It's kind of a hard one. Iron. Iron. Next. Sound. D. Sound. Put that together. I. Put that together. Drive. 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 Let's do one more. Sound. Sound. I. Put that together. Light. Light. Very good. Now let's do a little review, and then we're going to race the teacher. Let's review some sounds we've already learned this year already. Read these with me. Gull. Bull. Sp. Ft. Der. Gur. Ch. Is. Or. E. A. E. And we know this makes two sounds. I, or E. Now, it's time to race the teacher. Are you ready? Let's click through these and see if you can read them faster than me. Tie. Final. Pride. Right. Dry. Cried. Silent. Miles. Night. Fry. Giant. Chime. Fried. Tonight. Reply. Very good. That's it. How'd you do? Did you do better this week than you thought you would? I bet you did. Guys, thank you again for joining with me, lessons 1 through 5. We'll be moving on to something again next week. Until then, happy reading, and we'll see you then.